Day 1 of my Chalsedony. Let us see what changes it gone through. You can see those agates engraved on it with some of the oxidized minerals. I think 2 weeks is pretty long. The solution may destroy the beauty of this Chalsedony. Let's have a closer look. The bands possibly are iron ores. Let's see the other side. Maybe I will let it sit for only 2 days. We can work on this tomorrow. Look at that yellow ore in there. Is it gold? Those cracks can be hard to work on. You can see the floating particles dissolved from the stones. Don't forget to like our videos if you like these contents.